All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to be taking a look at Aerodrome Finance. A lot of you have been asking about this project in my live streams, as well as my Patreon members. Really, people are curious about this project. I really didn't care myself, but I think there are a few people who are really interested in this. So I'm going to be covering this on the channel. And if that sounds really interesting, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It will really help the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for Aerodrome Finance updates will now be able to find this video much more easily. If you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I want to encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on a number of different altcoins on a regular basis. You know what? Let's not run my mouth too much and let's get back into the price action. And what you can see here is, yes, we have been in a downtrend ever since April this year. But I think maybe fortunes are just about to change, because we saw that we had this capitulation here. The bulls actually stepped right here in around like 40 cents. And really, that was going to be an obvious support level if you were paying attention already, because you can already see that there was some kind of traffic that was happening right there. But the question is the bottom in right now? Honestly, I'll tell you that it's really hard to say that, but I think there is a possibility that you are going to be getting into a V-shaped recovery here with Aerodrome Finance in the coming few weeks and months as we head into the summer, as well as the spring that is usually bullish for crypto. But here, let me quickly show you a few resistance levels and areas of interest that we should be paying attention to. So I've already highlighted this level here, and you can see that there is a massive traffic here on a daily time frame, meaning that we have got a resistance level that starts right around 61, 62 cents right there, and stretches all the way up to something like 91. It's really a wide range, and maybe a lot of people are surprised that we can have wide ranges like this, but this really has been the story of crypto. So you can move inside of that range like 50% up, but you get really excited, but still you are stuck in that range. But so that's really important, and we are already seeing that the price is looking like it's getting rejected at the lower resistance level right around maybe what 62, 64 cents here. That was very obvious as well, because you could tell that there was some selling pressure which was going to be showing up right there as well. The next resistance level, as I mentioned already, is somewhere around 92, 91 cents, 90 cents thereabout. And just as I was saying that, in a scenario where you aim for a V-shaped recovery, you still have to come back a little bit down here, just the way we were rejected here. But you need to work out this level. It's going to be a fight here for Aerodrome Finance, in my humble opinion, until and unless we clear this level here, and then we can continue the bull cycle, right? So let me quickly show you what the Fibonacci retracement levels are showing us right there, because I think there is some kind of confluence with those resistance levels. So from the very top of the cycle right there to the very bottom here, I mean, it's kind of obvious that your Fibonacci retracement level, the first one sitting around 87 cents, is perfectly in line with that resistance line that we were talking about. I expect this to be tested at some point, but I expect maybe a bit of lower price action here in the coming week or so. But still, a recovery is very much anticipated, and I'm going to be telling you when I'm going to be longing this when I see it getting super close to the lows here. I'm going to be expecting a ride, obviously, back to something like 87 cents here. So let's say we dip down maybe to something like 50 cents or so. Getting back to something like 87, 90 cents is going to be something like a 76% pump. That's good for me for a short-term trade. If we also take a look at the 50-period moving average here on a 4-hourly time frame, we realize that the 50-period moving average has really been pushing the price down here. So what we just want to see for a bullish confirmation here is to see a few candles closing above this 50-period moving average here. But maybe I'm sounding a little bit bearish right at this point, but really not everything is bad as maybe it sounds right now. If you are taking a look at the 3-daily time frame here, you can see that there is an imminent bullish cross that is going to be showing here from the MACD. And what you just notice is that, yes, we have been in a downtrend for some time, but it appears that the bears are actually losing strength, because we can see this MACD kind of creeping itself up right there, and that bullish cross is really imminent. On a daily time frame, we also have got the same scenario here, where we can see that it's really close. So we could be expecting one more push to around the next resistance level that was around maybe 90 cents or so for Aerodrome Finance. We'll see what eventually happens, but it really appears like the bears are losing momentum here. Now, the last thing that you should probably be looking for a total reversal of this is to see this a downward sloping resistance. Let's quickly take this off of the log scale, and maybe we can have a clear trend here where you can see that it's really looking like you're getting closer and closer to breaking this. Once this is broken, I think we're gonna see Aerodrome Finance doing a bit much better in terms of the price action here. So let's see what eventually happens. I'm going to be monitoring this on a daily basis, as I said already. Sometimes I'll be making videos, sometimes maybe not, but this is basically my outlook on Aerodrome Finance. Now the question obviously is, where will I be targeting this whole thing to go? Should we have a reversal here, total reversal? Again, I use Fibonacci retracement tools right from the very top to the very bottom here. And yeah, I'll be expecting at least something like the 1.61 Fibonacci extension level there, which is sitting right around $3.60. And for this to happen here from where the price is sitting to that level, you are looking at something like about 600% by 561%. That's 5x that about. I think it's actually decent. So let's see what eventually happens. As I said already, we have to be monitoring this on a daily basis. So just remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, all right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.